Hi everyone, my name is L. Suresh, awarded PhD from the Department of Biotechnology. I worked on the topic of development of electrochemical immunosensor as prostate cancer diagnostics tool, and I worked under the supervision of Dr. B. Pradeep Kumar, Department of Chemistry, and Dr. B. J. Kumar Singh sir, Department of Biotechnology. Initially, it is a DST sponsored project. I was joined as a fellow. I had a little interest towards that topic, so I enrolled into the PhD. And while coming to the KL University, the laboratories are highly sophisticated, and I did not expect this much of instrumentation. Just involved in all the activities and enrolled in PhD. And regarding the work is very impressive. And whenever I read and go through the topic, I just self-motivated myself, and this thing I need to complete at any cost. So that is the first initial thing, and my guide is very supportive in all the regards. Even though I was afraid because I don't know how to communicate with the persons or faculties. Because regarding I was a Telugu medium student, but after coming to the KL University, we are communicating with all the faculties and everyone. They received me friendly and treated me utmost. That make me each and every step to build up my career. So initially I was so frightened and felt nervous with the electrochemistry, gone through the so much of references, and initially I was struggled a lot. But after my sir, my backbone, he is my really backbone. He just asked me to go through this and practice like this. I just focused on the work. So it takes around 2.5 years to publish one paper. That much of task it is. So then after I was initially paper published, I just build up myself and started some more creativity to make some more innovative. So initially he has given, and for the second step I just convinced myself to do something more. So 24 hours I stood in the lab, and whatever the doubts I have, until unless without clearance of that, I will not go forward. So my guide also encouraged me like that. So that makes me a very sensible work and a very innovative work to complete the task. Regarding KL University, the plantation which I impressed a lot, madam. In the campus life, while I was entered, I never thought I was entered into the gate of KL University also. Then after entering into the KL University, it creates a positive vibes and with good plantation, and it is the platform. When you are having the caliber of to do something innovative, KL University always encourage the person who is willing to do something innovative. So that makes me very impressive for enrollment and completion of successful PhD, for awarding a PhD. Infrastructure and instrumentation that we got from Netherlands, from foreign only, and whatever the things I required, that instrumentation is much more than I think. So basic things and everything, KL University not compromise for a very small instrument or anything. We are blessed with the high-end equipment, which work will be done very fast, and it supports in all the way, all the concern. Basically, when I started the work, I just failed for 10 to 15 times. Whatever the fabrication or modifications I am doing, that it leads to the failure. So I cried a lot, and I just fed off and willing to leave the campus. But when I see the profile and whenever I see the convocation, they said only if you just focus on your career, it will be happen. When you are not capable of yourself, you cannot do anything. So, and faculties of chemistry, basically my guide, I just praising me that because of my thankful to him, because he encouraged me whenever I just felt, sir, I cannot do. He just motivated me with the supporting of all the references, and he just helped me in the through write out. So this thing you need to learn, this thing you need to predict, this thing you have to show off yourself. So he just motivated me like anything. That is the key point, and which I never forget in my life. And the braveness and the personality and the humbleness of my guide only makes me to create all the things happen. Now with the existing ones, the prostate cancer takes around 6 to 7,000 for diagnosis. With my work, it can reduce up to 200 to 300, which common people affordable for the patient who are on the beds also. We can predict the concentration or the level of the cancer. So all the work is published. 8 papers I have published, and all the in reputed journals. One of the paper is published in Materials Today Chemistry, which is having 8.3 impact factor. That is the biggest achievement in my life. I recommend the students to enroll in KL University, because whatever the things useful for the research, that is well equipped in KL University. You can get everything on your requirement, and the university provide you basic things whichever you required in time. And also I have seen so many universities, not only the private like KLU, or many universities. Comparing with the other university, KL University focus on the quality of the research and quantity. Quality also determines very much from KL University. When you are having that potential for achieve anything, they encourage in all the sources. Memories in the KL University are unforgettable, because my friends with different origins, different places, have invited me to their places, treated me as like their cousin and friend. And even though their family members received me like their kid. And all the festivals we celebrated, we planned for theaters, we planned for malls, we planned for restaurants, everything we shared. Those are the lots of memories. And success and failures are equally shared. And whenever we got publication, we just celebrate all together. So these are the such memories in my life I never forget. Success and failures are the part of research. When you are succeeded, just focus on what you are willing to get further higher. When you failure, just correct the thing which you have lost or which you have outlooked. And don't be shy of anything. You just go through, ask anyone. They are helpful in nature. They can recommend you in better way. You can process your work. And don't compare your work with others. Just focus on your career, and you will achieve, because all this because of a good PhD and good life.
For more updates, please subscribe and click the bell icon.